Logitech is known for making tech products for people on a low budget or people with no budget. The Z200 speakers fit nicely into that budget category. The Logitech Z200 speakers were released way back in 2013 and till this day are still really popular. Now Logitech has released a new version of these, the Z207 speakers, which are great, but the Z200s are still a good option for people on a strict low budget. They cost just under $20 and are decent for the price. Let's get into the unboxing and see just what you get for the money. When you receive the speakers, you'll get them in this nice blue box. Inside you'll find the speakers themselves, a power brick that provides the 12 volts of power the speakers need, and a manual. The speakers are fully made of plastic and can be bought in either white or black. On the front you'll find the exposed tweeters and woofers, a headphone jack, an aux jack, and a volume dial. On the side you'll also find a knob for controlling the bass. Now to set up these speakers is very easy and simple. Plug the power brick into the wall so the speakers get the 10 watts of power they need, then plug the 3.5mm jack into your device of choice, as long as it has a headphone jack. And that's it. At normal levels the speakers produce clean audio, but at higher volume the sound does tend to distort. I did find that the bass control doesn't really make that much of a difference in terms of sound quality. But speaking of sound quality, let's get into the actual sound test. I'm gonna be playing a wide variety of different songs so you get the feeling of how the speakers perform.
Even get to cross. Like a Hellcat.
Now let's move on to the pros and cons of the speakers. Starting off with the pros, the speakers are compatible with a lot of different devices, they produce good sound quality, they have a minimal elegant design, they're very simple to set up, and have a long cable. Now I'm talking about the cable that connects to your PC, not the cable that connects the two speakers. Moving on to the cons, they do produce a slight hissing sound when you're not using them. The cable connecting the two speakers is really long. They're not that portable, and the sound does distort when it's played at high volume. In conclusion, if you are on a tight budget, go ahead and buy these speakers. They produce good sound for the price and are worth the $20. But if you are prepared to pay a bit more money, then I would recommend buying the Z313 speakers. The speakers come included with a subwoofer that makes the sound way better compared to the Z200s, and it costs just a little bit more. But with that being said, this does conclude my review of the Logitech Z200 speakers. If you guys want to buy the speakers, I'll leave a link down in the description, along with a link to the Z313 speakers as well. Also make sure to subscribe and like the video. And with that being said, this was Bubbly, and I'm signing out.